Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Rajput, Research Analyst at Aleph India Group. Today we are going to talk about very important regulatory update that will directly impact manufacturers, importers, brand owners and recyclers across India. I am talking about Plastic Waste Management Amendments Rule 2026 that is notified by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on 31st of March 2026. This amendment is not just a small update. It is a major step towards sustainability, recycling and stricter compliance in India. So let's understand this in a very simple way. First, the government has clearly defined end-of-life disposal. This includes waste to energy, co-processing in industries like cement and steel, waste to oil and even use in road construction. But here's the important part. Converting plastic into new plastic is not disposal. It is considered under recycling. To remove confusions, new terms have been added like plastic waste processor, which include recycles and disposal units, reuse, using a product again without changing its structure, seller, and even dealing with plastic raw materials, and registered environment auditor. This means the scope of responsibility is now much clearer. Now, this is the biggest change. The government has introduced mandatory recycled content targets. For example, Category 1 packaging must use 30% recycled plastic in 2025 to 26, and this will go up to 60% in coming years. This applies to producers, importers and brand owners. So now, using virgin plastic alone is no longer enough. A recycled plastic must now comply with IS 1434-2023. This means proper labeling, clear mention of recycled content and additional rules for food-related packaging. Earlier, enforcement was limited, but now authorities like urban local bodies, gram panchayats, district panchayats have been given more power to control plastic usage and enforce bans. So compliance will now be checked not only just at national level but also at ground level. The government is also forming state level monitoring committees. This will include government officials, pollution control boards, industry experts. This ensures better tracking, accountability and enforcement. For rigid plastic packaging, reuse is now mandatory. For example, 10% reuse initially increase up to 25%, and in some cases like large water packaging, it can go up to 85% reuse. This is a big step towards circular economy. Now companies must submit annual returns, declare plastic uses, report recycled versus virgin content, track reuse performance. And yes, this data will be audited. Non-compliance can lead to penalties under the Environment Protection Act 1986. So, what does this mean for you? For manufacturers and importers, more compliance and reporting. For brand owners, responsibility for packaging and reuse. For recyclers, huge growth opportunity. And for regulators, stronger control and enforcement. So let's understand one thing clearly. This regulation is not just about restrictions, it's about building a sustainable future. Companies that adapt early will reduce compliance risk, build strong brand trust and stay ahead in the market. Because today, sustainability is not optional, it is a business requirement. If your business is dealing with plastic packaging in any form, this is the right time to review your compliance strategy. At Aleph India, we help companies align with such evolving regulations smoothly and effectively. Feel free to reach us out on the given contact details on the screen. Thank you for watching. Before you go, hit subscribe, follow for more updates and drop your thought in the comment below. Thank you.